KintaMani. Kids, now I'll show you how my birthday went. After that, we'll open all the presents together. Let's get started! Today's my birthday.
Smile. Happy birthday, dear Mia. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. You're 102.
Everybody say cheese.
Now at home, let's open all the presents. This is my first present. I love this unicorn. You know, I just really love presents to know about my best friends. I love it, but when I see it, I'm so happy about this. I really love. Woo! Oh my god! This is mermaid, my favorite. I just really wanted a toy like this, you know, friends. Now I'm gonna do this one. This is Lego. I love Lego. Do you love guys? Yes! This is next one. Oh my god! This is frozen Lego. Look at it, it's very amazing. It has Olaf and a lot of things here. It's also frozen. It's also Anna here too and Olaf too. You remember Olaf? Olaf's the sweet one. This is my next one. more like this. You know, friends, I always imagined it. I really imagined it. And I love Candyland. Wow, this is a big package. Now I'm gonna start to open this one. Oh my god, what is this? Wow. Amazing. This is very good. I'm so excited to play with this. One of my friends just made with their hand. I just really wanted something like this. You see my eye, friends? Wow, this is bold. I love it. Look at this beautiful dress here. Also, there's hearts too. I love this. Let's open this. Wow, this is a water paint coloring. I love it. And I also love this beautiful dress. It also has unicorns on it. I just wanted a unicorn dress before. I really wanted one. Do you love it, guys? Is it beautiful as you say? Now this is my last one. Look at this journey book. I love this journey book. What else is inside? And this is sweet cards. I just really wanted this card before. And this is another present. Do you want to open this? Oh, this is not toys, guys. This is just chocolate. I ate a lot of cakes. I'm gonna eat this another week. Today was amazing. Thank you for celebrating my new birthday. And thank you for all the persons who came to my birthday. I love that. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!